Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the sign up and login now button. Tap on sign up in order to create your new account, and you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. If you use your phone number, type it in without your country code. Make sure to agree with the terms and conditions by using the checkbox and then tap on the sign up now button. You can also sign up using your Google account or your Telegram for a shortcut. Once you tap on sign up, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to the email address that you just entered. So just check your inbox and you will find this verification code. Go ahead and enter this code within the given box, and now you will be allowed to create your password for your account. Type in your desired password and then tap on the sign up now button. And now you will be asked to verify your identity. You can skip this for now by tapping on the skip button. And now you will be taken into your newly created account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.